My name is Sana Singh and I am pursuing BTech in Biotechnology from IILM University, Greater Noida. My first year experience of BTech in Biotechnology was exciting and enriching. It was a transformative period that equipped us with a solid foundation in both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. The industrial visit to Coca-Cola and Mother Dairy exposed us to the practical aspects of our field, while the supportive faculty and the nurturing college environment allow us to flourish academically and personally. As we move forward, we carried the lessons learned and passion ignited during this year, ready to explore the boundless possibility that biotechnology has to offer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shreya Tripathi, a first-year student at IILM University,
Greater Noida, pursuing BTech Biotechnology. Biosciences, lab experiments and innovations have always fascinated me, which is why I chose to pursue a degree in biotechnology. There could have been no better place than IILM University to fulfill the passion of pursuing a professional degree in one of the fastest growing industries of the world. Our university provides the right exposure, well-reputed faculty and opportunities in learning the master skills
of biotechnology.